I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients and tools before you start. Measure 1 cup fermented dosa batter, 100 g cooked minced potato or beef or paneer for the burger filling, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp chili powder and salt to taste. Prepare 2 slices of cheese, 1 small tomato sliced and a few lettuce leaves. Keep a non-stick pan, a 3/5-inch metal ring or small lid to shape the burger, a spatula, and a bowl for mixing the patty ingredients. Start the filling by heating 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet and sautéing 2 tablespoon chopped onion for about 3 minutes until translucent. Add 100 g cooked minced potato or cooked minced meat, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp chili powder and salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to blend flavors. Remove from heat and cool slightly. Optionally stir in 30 g grated paneer and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander for a vegetarian variant. Form the mixture into a 3. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and lightly oil it. Pour 1/3 cup dosa batter at the center and quickly spread to a 6-inch circle. Keep edges slightly thinner. Place the prepared 3/5-inch patty on the dosa, add a slice of cheese and a few tomato slices, then fold the dosa over like a burger or use the metal ring to sandwich it. Cook for about 2 minutes until the underside is golden. Flip gently and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes until crisp and cheese is melted. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.